known as pyrography, which literally means writing with fire. Wood burning is a rewarding art that is practically infinite in its applications. This book shows you everything you need to get started in this fun and expressive craft. Create beautiful art using ready-made materials found at your local craft store. 14 step-by-step projects, appropriate for every skill level. Illustrated with how to photograph. Easy exercises introduce basic concepts for beginners. Learn expert techniques for texturing, lettering, shading, and finishing. Make memorable decorative gifts for friends and family, bangles, jewelry boxes, gift tags, fridge magnets, and more. 50 bonus patterns. This easy-to-learn introduction to the art of pyrography offers 14 step-by-step projects for making decorative gifts, from coasters and picture frames to bangles, decorative plates, and door hangers, illustrated with clear how-to photographs. Each pyro project can be completed using ready-made materials that are easy to find at your local craft store. 50 bonus patterns will allow you to unleash your creativity on hundreds of additional wood-burning projects. In Learn to Burn, award-winning artist and pyrographer Simon Easton shows you how to write with fire, taking you from basic wood-burning concepts to tips and techniques that encourage your creativity and help you develop your own individual style. Easton guides you through purchasing tools and materials, and setup and safety. His expert lessons will help you master all of the essential techniques of the craft, from making simple marks to texturing, lettering, shading and finishing. This is a book that you'll come back to again and again as you develop your expertise in an innovative art form. Visit link in description below.